much of a pain in the ass this is. Removing this goddamn sticker that goes right here. I'm obviously halfway through, but I know this is such a pain in the ass for a lot of Aprilia Tuono owners, so I decided to shoot it halfway through. Now, you're obviously wondering how I got to this point. Simply put, I used credit card or anything same size as a credit card. So all you gotta do is push on this edge, which I did on this side, kept pushing and pushing until the sticker just rolled, and then slowly try to push it to one side obviously, so you can sort of get it off as much as possible, but try to keep this edge accessible, otherwise you might end up with, you know, essentially a sticker, a crumpled sticker at the bottom of your windshield. This is pretty tricky. I have no idea why Aprilia is doing this to us. Oh my. Let me see. Pain in the ass. Such a bloody pain. Alright, let me see if I can see. It's gonna get pretty damn tricky. Now, if I had some needle nose pliers, probably would have helped. I apologize for the shitty recording. As you can imagine, this is already hard enough going without focusing on the recording. Oh, come on, man. Let's go. Okay. Let me try force it off the windshield and then try to use the adhesive to my benefit. Come on! Let me use my left, my right. Come on, we can do this. I'm not riding the bike until after I get this piece of shit out of here. Come on! Sorry about that. Down to the last edge. Come on! Okay, so essentially what I gotta do now is just you crumpled piece of crap. Come on, cheer me on. Oh wait, this might work, this might work, this might work. Cheer me on, please. Please let me be able to get it with a knife. Woo! Sorry for all you headphone users, I probably just blew your ears out. Moto Surge out.